This is an exciting opportunity to really showcase some amazing technology that's emerging in this space, particularly around sustainability and the commercialization of these technologies.
If you want to see the trends and the upcoming new things in additive manufacturing, you have to be part of the 3D Pioneers Challenge.
And we are super proud to support 10 years of 3D Pioneers, which means 10 years of innovation, which is exactly what our industry needs.
This is a legacy for the industry because this really advanced manufacturing, and many of these inspiring people who won or who applied for the award are now grown up with their applications, with their business.
It's a cross-industry award, and that makes it so valuable, seeing entries from the world of the architecture, from the healthcare industry, and even from the consumer goods.
Follow your dreams and dream big. And with the 3D Pioneers Challenge, we were able to sit back, zoom out, and create something deep in our minds, just to show what's possible. And that's a great experience.
Happy anniversary to 3D Pioneers Challenge. On to the next 10 years.
Congratulations on 10 years of amazing work on this. Congratulations to everyone there, and I'm so excited to be working on this again.